Hello everyone. In this video session, we are going to study about structural aberration. So let's begin the topic.
Now, what is structural abnormalities? It is also known as rearrangement of chromosome. It arises when a piece of one chromosome gets fused with another chromosome, or a segment within a chromosome get inverted with respect to rest of the chromosome. So the structural aberration take place. And how it's occur? It requires break in the chromosome. More than two break can occur, and broken part then it reunite into new arrangement. The example of structural aberrations are deletion, duplication, translocation, and inversion. Numerical abnormalities. First, we will discuss about polyploidy. As we have discussed earlier, the organism which carry extra chromosome sets, they are known as polyploid. It is very common in plants and it is very rare in animal. So why polyploidy is rare in animal? As we have known, animal primarily reproduce via sexual mechanism, and when polyploidy occurs, it interferes with normal sex determination mechanism in animal. About one half of all known plant genera contain polyploid species, and about two-thirds of all grasses are polyploid. Many of these polyploid species reproduce via asexual mechanism, and many of these polyploid species are sterile. We will discuss more why polyploid species are sterile further in this chapter. These are some of the examples of polyploidy plants: chrysanthemum, strawberry, cotton, banana. Chrysanthemum are tetraploids, strawberry here octoploids, and cotton tetraploids, banana is triploids. So there are some benefits of polyploidy plants. The size of the polyploid plants is more, and why? Due to more chromosome in the nucleus. This overall increase in size correspond to the overall increase in size of the organism. Polyploid species are more robust than the diploid counterparts. So it has also benefit in agriculture. It has a practical significance for human who depend on many polyploidy plant species for their food. These polyploid species produce larger seeds and fruits. They have greater yield in agriculture. These are some of the example of polyploidy plants. Example of crop plants, and here the example of ornamental garden plants. An example of crop plants are wheat, potatoes, bananas, strawberries, cotton, and the example of ornamental garden plants are roses, chrysanthemum, and tulips.